Hi, my name's Logan. This is me and my dad's Haines 445 that we restored probably 3 years ago. Started this project when I was 15 under my dad's guidance. He's rebuilt a few boats himself. It was a good little project to get stuck into on the weekends, you know, like it was good of father and son bonding. You get to learn the bits of the boat trade, I guess, like how things work with boats. The build took about 8 months, every weekend hitting it pretty hard. She was repainted in the garage at home. It come up pretty good, lots of fiberglass work, sanding every day, you know. So starting from the bowsprit all the way back, it's done at home, in-house with Dad. The bow rails were custom made to suit. I liked it. I didn't want it to go all the way around. I wanted it 2 separate bow rails, one on each side. The grab rails custom as well, we made that. Wave breaker too, we made a mould with that as well. And it's got a custom bait tank that's fully moulded in. It's perfect for keeping your slimies alive or your squid for kingies. She's got just a 100-litre fuel tank underneath the floor here. 2 breathers, the bait board. It's got 2 rod holders in here. Yeah, no, she's a good little boat for the bay, perfect.
Hi, my name's James Cuttajar. I'm an electrician by trade, and this is my Haines 565R. I got this boat by chance, really. I was just standing in the long line in Aldi and had an old bloke standing behind me, and we just started chatting. He was telling me that he had his pride and joy sitting in the garage that he's had since new, and he hasn't been able to use it in the last few years, and he was contemplating selling it. And I asked him what it was, and he said it was a Haines Hunter. I went back there and had a good look over it, and to my surprise it was a 565R, which is what I always wanted to get. You don't see many of the R's around. Yeah, and the rest is history. I've been fishing and boating ever since I could walk, basically. Dad's always been a mad fisherman, and he's always taken me with him ever since I was little. And yeah, it's just been a passion of ours for my whole life anyway. I've chose this model because it's just a good all-round size. It's easy to handle on your own, and it's still big enough to take, you know, 3 or 4 blokes out game fishing. And yeah, she punches pretty good for her size.
So my name's George. I'm a tiler by trade. I'm a big Haines enthusiast. Love my boats. Love my fishing. Yeah, that's where it brought me today. This is a 1989 635 hour. I got it off my dad. 25th birthday, and I've fully restored it from floor, stringers, dash, arse end, 2 new engines, Suzuki 140s, new electronics, new stainless, you name it, it's been done. It was off the water for about 3 years, I reckon. I just love these boats. I love the hull, so that's why I chose to remain with this boat. Does everything I need offshore. So I've opted to go with a Simrad, NSS 12 Evo 3S, and a B&G for the GPS. Always used to be a Furuno man, but thought I would change and try something different, which I'm loving it at the moment, so it does everything I need. I've been going to a Haines Day for about 3 years now. It's a great event, looking at all these other restorations that people have been doing. Yeah, I love going because just to get different ideas with what people are doing to the boats. I love to pick up on things and look at new stuff, new electronics, whatever it may be. To anyone that wants to restore a boat, whatever you think it's going to cost you, double it, because mind-blowing how much the budget just goes over. It's ridiculous, but it's well worth it in the end.
It's definitely not for the faint-hearted. It's a big job, a lot of time, blood, sweat and tears, and a lot of money. Yeah, but in the end, when you get a finished product like this, I think it's all worth it. You can say you did it yourself, and you got a pretty unique and sought after boat.